Kami kasi ni Gotti, parang kami yung pinaka magka-age ni Gotti. So medyo naging close na lang kami throughout the competition. And also, sa first episode pa lang, kahit hindi kami magkakilala, kahit mas lagi kong kasama si Mayhem kaysa kay Gotti. Si Gotti yung parang sinihid ko. So parang in a way, meron kaming special bond, meron kaming special relationship together ni Gotti. Pero I think this is the, parang compared to the first decision making that I did sa first episode, mas madali to kasi number one, I already gave her a pass on the first episode. So parang second time around, parang girl, no. And also, parang sa parang ganun.
Yes.
Tama na din, masyado na kayong ano. Abusado
Nagbago ka na after kasabihan ng multitude, nagbago ka na.
Abusado